So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have first speaking session with Sukhmani and we are going to have full session. So I will ask her general questions, cue cards and follow-ups. Let us see how she answer these questions. So let us start. So what is your full name?
My name is Sukhmani Gill.
Okay, Sukhmani, so what do you do? Do you work or are you a student?
Currently, I was working with a renowned brand. It was Six Senses, and I was working overseas.
Okay. Can you elaborate your job a bit?
As I was working as a food and beverage associate, so my job basically depends upon the occupancy of the hotel. As the if the occupancy goes high, the restaurant will be busy, so I have to be a waitress or either I have to be the hostess of the restaurant.
Okay. Did you like your job?
Yes, I like the job the most because it helps engage with other people, and also it enhances our knowledge in the industry.
Okay, so is this a popular job in your country?
Yes, nowadays it has become a popular job in my country because it gives a lot of opportunities in the future to the people, as well as the success growth in this job is more.
Okay. What kind of flowers do you know?
The flowers I know are generally lotus, then you can say roses, and there's marigold, sunflower, and many more.
Okay. Are there any flowers that have special meaning in your country?
Yes, there are some flowers that has a special meaning, like the use of genda fool in the basically rituals or in the marriages or performing some religious activities.
Okay. Have you planted any flowers?
No, I haven't planted any flowers because uh, I don't like to plant flowers.
Okay, so when was the last time someone gave you flowers?
The last time I got a flower was on my birthday from my brother. As it shows a love and affection towards a person.
Okay. And when was the last time you gave flowers to someone?
The last time I gave a flower was to my mother on Mother's Day, as to show my love towards her and the care she gave to us.
Okay. Do you use a wallet? Wallet. Do you use a wallet?
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
Wallet, purse.
नहीं मतलब मेरा दूसरा आईफोन वॉलेट होता है
It's wallet. No, no, it's a physical wallet.
फिजिकल. No, I don't use a wallet because nowadays GPay has come, so I generally use Google Pay.
Okay. So have you ever lost a wallet?
No, I don't think so. I have ever lost a wallet because I don't prefer to use the wallet as it is not safe, and to cover from that thing, I use is Google Pay.
What kind of websites do you often visit?
I oftenly use is Google for some searching of some specific words and the meaning, and to enhance my vocabulary. I use some words to how to pronounce those words. I use it.
Okay. What kind of websites are popular in your country?
Um, there are many websites that are popular that are like Gmail, Google, Yahoo, and etc.
Okay. What is your favorite website?
I don't have a favorite website, but to use for my convenience, I use Google Pay. Google. Sorry.
Okay, no issues. Okay, the first attempt, the questions were good answered by you in a good way, but you got confused,
Yeah.
especially with the websites. You were like, what type of websites you could have answered? Facebook, YouTube.
Yeah.
You were just focusing on Google,
Yeah.
Quora. Okay, these are question answer based websites, so you could have used anyone.
Okay.
Overall, it's a good attempt as a beginner.